Excited to go to the junior A. And it happened that when I was in grade 6, the family decided to move to Bicol. My father had a plantation there which was devastated by the storm. And so he said, we have to move. I have to rebuild that yung New Gandong. And so my mom said, you have two choices. Either you go to Bicol, and I'm telling you, there are no schools there, there's no, pinako talaga ako, walang electricity doon, baka hindi ka maliligo araw-araw, or you can go to the seminary. So, sabi ko, ayoko naman magpari and you don't have to. Tsaka isusponsor ka ng lolo mo only if it's a seminary education. Siyempre, from the jungles of Bicol to the seminary, so I tried for about a week. And I begged not to go because wala talaga akong balak na pare. But my mom said, anyway, it's all set, you're going whether you like it or not. And besides, si Bambi needs company in the junior A. Hindi kami makakabisita dahil malayo kami, so visiting Sunday, kayong dalawa. So, reluctantly, I went, and I remember, I cried all the more when they cut my hair, which was covering my ears and which was almost shoulder length. So, iyak ako ng iyak. I came from Makati. We were 12 from about 6 sections. So, iyak na 12 apostles tayo, di ba? So, 11 left the seminary somewhere along the way. At si Judas lang ang nagtuloy sa ordination. When I reached 4th year, I said, this is it. Kontrata ko sa nanay ko 1 year. I survived 4. And so I didn't apply. And my best friend comes to me, Romel Salvacion, God bless his soul. So, Jack, nag-apply ka naman? Sabi ko, hindi, lalabas na ako eh. Ba't ka lalabas? Iba yung kanlubang yun. Yun ang tunay na seminaryo. Diba? Maganda, malawak. Sige, apply ka. And ako naman, sige, best friend ko eh. So, I applied. I turned in my application. And when June came, he changed his mind. During the summer, he wasn't around. And so, when it was time to apply for the bishop, so again, I was very candid with my brother and sister. Si Jesse Cruz. Jesse was idol. He was passionate, young, guapo. Very convincing, very